Carlos,
we should not be happy.
Carlos is an important member of the society also. Also a lawmaker. तो ताका एक कायद्याची इतले वर्सांची काम आहा. तो एका दुसऱ्या MLA फ्रेंड निलेश काब्रेल बर्थडेक वता आनी ताका नोटीस काडटा. एक कितें व्हाट इज दिस?
No, I don't think that you should look at it from any
Political angle.
I don't think you give importance to these kind of things.
You have also not given him importance.
I tell you, I am friend of so many people.
Of course.
As a lawyer, I have come in contact with so many people
Yes.
before elections, before even thinking of contesting elections. I have helped people. I've been their lawyer.
Yes.
And a relationship which I have developed with somebody is not because you're a MLA, because you're a minister. I've done it when even people have not even contested elections, not even held a position.
Yeah.
And one more thing, if you noticed, the other day I made a special mention of Dr. Bandekar in the assembly.
Yes, I have seen. I liked it.
He's retired, but I
liked
still
it.
said we have to
Yes,
remember
yes,
a person
yes.
who has done
Sarke.
it.
Sarke.
Because this is the way I will look at it. Not
Sarke.
because tu at position aha,
Sarke.
salam koto to ka.
Sarke.
Even after that, you are a human being and I had a relationship with you. I will remember you and not forget you.
Very nice.